Here we have a Rong U milling and drilling machine. We got it hooked up to 115 volts and we're gonna run it and show you that it works.
Okay, first of all, you got your in and out. This one here does side to side. This one here, if you lock this button here, you got your precision up and down. And if you twist it here, you got up and down with this lever. And this lever here locks it in where it don't move. And you got forward and reverse. And up here you got variable speeds if you change the belt. And you have up and down crank here for the drill itself.
Can you go down a little more? Okay, that is a Rong U milling and drilling machine.